How to delete items from Google Collections. Now, this tutorial is going to be a quick and very easy thing to do. The very first thing that you want to do is to launch your Google Chrome or your Google main browser, which is this one. So as you can see below, you should be able to see four options such as Home, Search, Notifications, and Activity. Now, if you're currently on your homepage on Google browser, you can also try to scroll down and then usually your collections or favorites will show at this part of the field. If not, all I have to do is to go into activity, which is the last portion of those options below, scroll down, and then there you go, collections. From there, if you would like to delete something in it, just simply choose on certain type of collections that you would like to be removed. For example, this one, you should be able to see three dots on that current photo. Tap on that and choose on remove. And that's it. That's how you delete items from Google Collections.